Palantir Technologies consistently ranks among the most heavily traded tickers on the U.S. stock market, often seeing daily volumes in excess of 90 million shares. On April 25, 2025, Palantir saw over 96 million shares change hands, far surpassing its three-year average of roughly 19.8 million shares. This level of liquidity places Palantir in the company of megacap names and reflects the market's fascination with data analytics and AI-driven business models. Palantir's appeal to retail investors. Beyond institutional interest, Palantir has cultivated a devoted retail following that treats Palantir like the ultimate underdog story. Many retail traders admire CEO Alex Karp for his blunt language, unfiltered commentary, and brutal honesty, qualities that have become part of Palantir's brand identity. Karp's candid style, think a data scientist casually dropping truth bombs about privacy and national security, resonates with investors tired of polished corporate speak. The unveiling of ChatGPT by OpenAI in November 2022 marked a turning point for generative AI, demonstrating how machines can produce human-like text, code, and even poetry in milliseconds. Enterprises across industries quickly recognize the potential to automate tasks like report writing, customer support, and data analysis using these new AI tools. This generative AI frenzy was akin to cattle being released through a gate, with companies stampeding to integrate automation wherever they could. Palantir, the big winner. Among the AI beneficiaries, Palantir stands out as perhaps the biggest winner of this trend, with its stock more than doubling in value as investors bet on its AI-enabled platforms. Palantir's platforms, which offer no-code interfaces and end-to-end pipelines, have powered use cases from emergency response coordination to COVID-19 vaccine distribution analysis. The company's unique ability to ingest complex datasets and apply machine learning models has positioned it at the forefront of the AI revolution. What Palantir does. Palantir offers three main products, Gotham, Foundry, and Apollo, with a fourth, AIP, recently introduced to supercharge its generative AI capabilities. Gotham serves government customers, including the U.S. Department of Defense and intelligence agencies, providing tools for counterterrorism, military planning, and intelligence analysis. Foundry is a commercial data integration and analytics platform used by clients like Morgan Stanley and Airbus to tackle complex supply chain and financial modeling challenges. Apollo is a continuous delivery system that manages software deployments across multiple environments, ensuring Palantir's tools run smoothly and securely. In 2023, Palantir launched AIP, an AI module that adds conversational interfaces and generative analysis to its platforms, making data exploration feel more like chatting with a wise, and witty, robot. By the way, if you are benefiting from the content so far and want more like this, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications bell, and comment the word more. Just go ahead and type the word more so I know. Now that you've commented, let's continue. But wait. If you are interested in stock news updates that might be relevant to your financial targets, join us and become a member for member-only videos. Find the link in the description section below. UBS's neutral stance. Despite a robust year-to-date rally, UBS maintains a neutral rating on Palantir, citing sky-high valuation multiples that require perfection in execution. Analysts at UBS lauded Palantir's resilient fundamentals, including its 80% gross profit margin and strong liquidity ratios. However, they warned that any shifts in U.S. federal spending patterns could dent future revenue, given Palantir's significant exposure to government contracts. Near-term risks, federal contract delays. Delays in federal contract awards have been flagged as a notable near-term risk, as administrative holdups can push back multi-million-dollar deployments. Imagine a weeks-long clearance process for a defense project dragging on like a slow Zoom meeting. Every extra day in limbo can translate to deferred revenue recognition. Concentrated government revenue and vulnerability. Approximately 55% of Palantir's revenue comes from government contracts, and of that, around 75% is derived from U.S. federal agencies. This concentration exposes Palantir to the whims of domestic policy and budget reallocations. A single shift in priority can cause swings in quarterly performance. It's like being in an exclusive relationship with one client, great when everything's smooth, but a sudden change in their plans can leave you scrambling. Ultimately, Palantir's story is one of contrasts. It's a corporate heavyweight with mega-cap liquidity, yet it thrives on its edgy, unvarnished CEO soundbites. It's a tech firm riding the AI wave ignited by ChatGPT, while carefully navigating the ebb and flow of federal spending tides. As investors, the trick is to appreciate Palantir's innovative platforms and retail-driven mojo, while keeping an eye on the government pipeline for any signs of slowdown. Palantir's AI payday. Palantir's share price, which hovered around $20 in late 2022, exploded to over $110 by April 2025, a gain of 450% in under 18 months. A Reuters analysis noted Palantir as one of the largest beneficiaries of the AI stock rally, up 140% year-to-date even before the latest leg higher. That surge added some $15.8 billion to its market cap on a single day when it raised guidance on robust AI adoption. It's not just hype. Palantir's Q3 2024 revenue jumped 30% year-over-year to $725 million, driven by both government and commercial clients racing to deploy AI pipelines. Gotham is the cloak and dagger tool for defense and intelligence agencies, letting analysts connect dots across terabytes of signals. From satellite imagery to intercepted chatter, without losing their minds. Foundry is the Swiss Army knife for corporations like Airbus or Morgan Stanley, unifying siloed data, think maintenance logs, production stats, financial ledgers, into a single dashboard you can actually navigate. Palantir sits at the intersection of retail-driven hype, real AI momentum kicked off by ChatGPT, and heavyweight enterprise contracts, where billions in revenue hinge on the U.S. government's mood swings. For traders, the question is, do you believe in a future where every Fortune 500 and every Pentagon unit speaks Palantir's language? Or will shifting budgets and sky-high multiples send this AI darling back to earth? Whichever side you fall on, you can't deny the drama, a CEO who drops truth bombs, a stock that trades like a meme, and a business that literally runs on data. Strap in, it's going to be a wild ride. It's our privilege that God, the creator of heaven and earth, will bless us abundantly, make us the head and not the tail if we love him and obey his commandments. Please acknowledge him in your plans and he will direct your paths. Proverbs 3 verses 5-6. Want more information? Please check the description section. Also again, if you are interested in more relevant stock news updates, consider becoming a member. Link in the description section. If you have watched until the end, drop a comment like this: I stayed until the end. Just comment that I stayed until the end. When I see this comment, I will give you a heart. There are 3 more important steps to build wealth. First, like this video, subscribe and then turn on the notifications bell. If you do this, you highly motivate me to continue bringing to you educative and transformative videos every week. Do not miss out on our future videos full of knowledge and wisdom. All I am asking is your subscription. Thanks for joining us today, your support is appreciated so much. Do not hesitate to share this video to help someone. I recommend that you watch the next video, subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts about today's video. Thank you, see you in the next video by God's grace. We love you, and blessings to you.